So, good afternoon. Today, we're going to continue our discussion with the sample units of conversion. Okay? So, ngayon, nasa letter C na tayo. And our topic is about converting metric to English, or also known as conversion of US to imperial. Okay? So, as an example, we have to convert 115 centimeter to an inches. Okay? So, yan yung number 1 example natin. Okay? And from the rules of converting metric to English or US to imperial, every 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. Okay? So, therefore, the ratio will be 115 centimeter times 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeter. Okay? So, let's cancel the same unit. Then, let's proceed with the operation. So, by the way, the operation that you're going to use is multiplication and division. Okay? So, nakikita naman siya dito sa video. So, 115 times 1 inch is 115 inch. Divided by 2.54. Ano po? So, 115 inch divided by 2.54, the answer will be 45.28 inches. Ayan. So, that is the answer in example number 1. So, let us proceed with example number 2. Sabi dito, you need to convert 115 kilometer to miles. Okay? Kailangan mo daw i-convert yung 115 kilometer to mile. So, every 1 mile is equivalent to 1.6 kilometer or 1.60,000 934 kilometer. So, 2 operation yung gagawin natin. Ano po? Pakita natin kapag yung 1.6 kilometer yung ginamit natin sa operation, anong kalalabasan. Then, kapag 1.60,934 kilometer naman ang ginamit, ano ang magiging sagot? So, dito muna tayo sa 1.6 kilometer. Okay? So, 115 kilometer times 1 mile divided by 1.6 kilometer. Okay? Cancel tayo with the same unit. So, 115 divided by times 1 mile will be 115 mile. Okay, lagay natin yung unit. Divided by 1.6. That is 1.6. So, the answer will be 71.88 miles. That will be the answer. Ano po? Since we are using the 1.6 kilometer. Okay? Ma'am, paano naman po yung 1.60,934 kilometer? So, if we're going to use that, is the ratio will be 115. Ayun, 115 kilometer. Okay? Times 1 mile divided by 1.60,934 kilometer. Okay? Cancel the same unit. Then proceed with the operation. 115 times 1 mile will be 115 mile divided by 1.60,934, and the answer will be 71.46 mile. Okay? Nakuha po. Yun po, as simple as that for letter C. Okay? Now, let us proceed now with letter D, and that is converting English to metric. Yan. Yan po yung letter D natin. Okay? So, dito po, ang gagamitin din nating operation will be multiplication and division. Okay? So, sabi dito, on the first example rather, is we have to convert 100 yard, okay, to a meter. Yan. Kailangan daw nating i-convert yung 100 yard into a meter. So, we have here the ratio of 100 yard times 3 feet. Okay, it is because that every 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet. Okay? Kaya, ang ilalagay natin ay 100 yard times 3 feet divided by 1 yard. Okay? So, i-rewrite po natin 100 yard times 3 feet divided by 1 yard. Okay? So, sabi, we have to cancel from the rules of conversion, we have to cancel the same unit. Then, 100 times 3 feet is equals to how many? 300 feet divided by 1, and the answer is 300 feet. Kaya lang, ma'am, ang hinahanap po natin dito is meter. So, kung meter ang hinahanap at feet yung naging sagot, 300 feet yung naging sagot, we have to convert 300 feet. Okay? So, in converting 300, nabubulol na si ma'am. So, in converting 300 feet, okay, sabi dito, in every 300 feet there is, or in every 1 feet there is, how many? 12 inches. Okay? So, kailangan ilagay natin dito is 300 feet, okay, to be multiplied, okay, to be multiplied in 12 inches. Okay? Divided by 1 feet. Yan. So, rewrite lang po natin 300 feet times 12 inches divided by 1 feet. Cancel the same unit. Then, 300 times 12 is how many? 300 times 12 will be 3,600 inch. 3,600 inches. Okay? Divided by 1. And the answer is 3,600. How many? 3,600 inch. Okay? Ayan. And then, hindi pa rin po natin makuha, ma'am, kasi po ang kailangan po nating i-convert is 100 yard to a meter. Okay? So, meaning to say, meron pa rin po tayong kailangang i-convert, and that will be the inch. Okay? So, we will proceed now with the third operation. Okay? Kasi hindi pa rin natin siya nakukuha eh. 'Di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, we will now proceed with the conversion of inch into a meter. Okay? So, sabi, in every 1 meter, there is how many? 1,000 centimeter. Ay, sorry po. In every 1 meter, there is 100 centimeter. Okay? So, let's proceed. 100 centimeter to be multiplied by 3,600 inches. That will be, okay, lagay natin, 3,600 inches to be multiplied into 2.54 centimeter. Okay, divided by 1 inch. Okay. As a correction, ano po, in every 1 inch pala, there is 2.54 centimeter. Pasensya na kayo, medyo nalito si ma'am. Ang haba kasi ng computation natin. Okay? So, 3,600 inch times 2.54 centimeter divided by 1 inch, cancel. So, pwede mo naman siyang idiretso para hindi na masyadong mahaba. Ano po? Just to simplify the answer, that will be 9,000 rather. 9,144 centimeter. Kita ba? 9,100 centimeter. So, nakailang ano tayo? Nakailang compute? Naka-3 na. Centimeter pa rin siya eh. So, si centimeter, kailangan mo siyang i-convert into meter. Sa palagay ko naman, dito makukuha natin, ano? So, we have here 9,144 centimeter. Okay? To be multiplied by 1 meter. And then, divide by 100 centimeter. So, according to the rules of conversion, we have to cancel the same unit. 9,144 multiplied by 1 is 9,144 meter divided by 100, and the answer is 91.44 meter. Okay, there